Why I really do not know. I cannot answer you now. Maybe it was a very stupid decision. But if you ask me now, in the hindsight, when I think of the moment I decided to run, that I regret. But I'm going to work for the next 3 years. But if you ask me if I'm happy with the job, I am not. Because of so many corruption and I have to fire. I'm leaving for China. And before that, I will leave so many letters of dismissal. Corruption is really seeps down. You have to have something more than just a warning. I'm the only president who... Ako lang ang presidente nagbubugbog ng tao. Tanungin mo yung mga gwardya. Yung mga hangol. Pag mas ang uli sabi ko, ulihin mo yan. I'll tell you. Give me your money. I do not bring money. So the soldiers, the white ones there, they would say, give me your money. And I would say to the guy, eat it. And sometimes there's 1 or 2 small coins.